Welcome YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a USB or SD card. Step 1. Check the size of the disk you want to repair. Step 2. Search for CMD in the search bar, and run it as administrator. Step 3. Type in disk part followed by list disk. Step 4. Then you will see a table. Compare the disk size you recorded previously and remember the disk number. Step 5. Now type select disk number, followed by clean, and then type create partition primary followed by active, the type select partition 1. Step 6. Now select the type of format you want. Probably FAT32, so type format FSFAT32 and press enter. Done. Now just wait for a minute until it is till 100%. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. New videos on demand.